Bestie, stop scrolling for a second because this is literally about you. You keep saying, I need to study, I need to fix my life. You open your book, sit properly, even feel a little motivated. And then out of nowhere, your brain just switches sides and starts sabotaging your random thoughts, checking your phone, getting up for no reason. And suddenly, 30 minutes later, you've done nothing. And the worst part? You think you're the problem. You think I'm just not disciplined, or I don't have focus, when in reality, no one ever taught you how to build focus in the first place. Like, be honest, everyone tells you just focus. But how? So instead of giving you those same boring study tips you've already ignored 50 times, this video is different. I'm going to show you the exact methods that actually train your brain to focus, like real, practical, slightly uncomfortable methods that high-performing students use to stay locked in for hours. And no, this is not going to be easy, aesthetic, fake productivity energy. This is the kind of stuff that actually works if you do it properly. So if you're tired of starting and stopping, feeling guilty, and watching everyone else get ahead while you're stuck in the same loop, don't skip this one, because by the end of this video, you'll either keep doing what you're doing, or you'll finally know how to fix it. Okay, but before we start the video, take literally 2 seconds to subscribe. I'm trying to hit 100K before 2026 ends, and being this early on the channel is kinda iconic, honestly. But also, if you're into glow-up, self-improvement, productivity, becoming that version of yourself, you're gonna love it here. I post content that actually helps you level up instead of just looking aesthetic for 5 seconds. So subscribe, join the girly little journey, and now let's get into the video. Method 1, the brain reset trick. Bestie, be honest, how many times have you sat down to study, opened your book, read 2 lines, and then suddenly you're on your phone without even realizing how you got there? Like 1 second before you're, I'm gonna study seriously today, and next second you're scrolling, checking random things, overthinking, getting up for water, then snacks, then literally anything except study, and then you blame yourself like, I have no focus. But the truth is, your focus doesn't break because you're lazy, it breaks because your brain keeps throwing random thoughts and you keep following every single one of them. And that is exactly what this method fixes. So here's what you do very clearly. Whenever you sit to study, you keep 1 rough page beside you. And the rule is, the moment any random, non-study thought comes into your mind, you don't act on it, you don't check it, you don't move you. Just write it down in 1 or 2 words like phone, water, check, Insta, random idea, and immediately go back to studying. And yes, in the beginning, your brain will go crazy and throw thoughts every few seconds because it's used to escaping. But since you're not reacting anymore and only parking those thoughts on paper, your brain slowly starts calming down because it realizes distractions are not working anymore. And within 10 to 15 minutes, you'll literally feel the difference: less urge to check your phone, less restlessness, more stability, and deeper focus without forcing it. Because what you've done is break the most dangerous loop. Earlier it was thought, then action, and then distraction. But now it becomes thought, then write, then ignore, after that back to work. And that one shift trains your brain to stay on task longer every single day, which is exactly how those insane focused students are built, not by magic, not by motivation, but by controlling their reactions. And if you actually use this consistently, you'll notice your focus increasing session by session without feeling like you're fighting your own brain. Method 2, the 𝗪𝗏 book system. Bestie, quick reality check. Why are you making the same mistakes again and again like it's part of your personality? You give a test, mess something up, feel bad for 2 minutes, and then completely forget about it, only to repeat the exact same mistake next time. Like, how do you expect your marks to improve if nothing is actually changing? So this method is going to humble you a little, but also fix your entire game. It's called the 𝗪𝗏 book system, and it's what serious students use to improve fast. Here's exactly what you do. Every time you solve questions or take a test, you don't just check your answers and move on. You take a separate notebook and write down every mistake you made, but not in a lazy way. For each mistake, you write 3 things, a short version of the question. What you did wrong, concept mistake, silly error, rushed thinking, anything, and what the correct approach should have been. Now, here's the part that actually works. This notebook becomes your main revision tool, not your textbook, not random notes, because this book contains your real weak areas, not what you already know. And when you start reviewing it regularly, you'll notice patterns like, I always rush here, or I keep forgetting this concept. And once you see the pattern, you can actually fix it instead of repeating it like a loop. Let's be honest, average students try to learn more, toppers try to make fewer mistakes. That's the real difference. And this method trains exactly that. Every mistake becomes feedback, not failure. So yeah, you can keep hoping next time I won't mess up and then do it again. Or you can track it, understand it, and eliminate it step by step. Because once your mistakes start decreasing, your marks automatically start increasing. Method 3. The question first rule. Bestie, why are you still opening the chapter first like it's a storybook? Like you read everything, highlight half the page, feel productive. And then when you see questions, you're like, wait, where was this? Because you studied without direction. That's exactly what this method fixes. So, here's what you do. And do it exactly like this. Before you even touch the chapter, you go straight to the questions. Past papers, exercise questions, anything related to that topic, and you don't panic. You don't try to solve everything perfectly, you just observe. Look at the questions like a detective. What type of questions are coming? Which topics are repeating? What kind of answers are expected? Basically, you're trying to understand what does the exam actually want from this chapter. Now, when you go back to study, everything changes. You're not reading randomly anymore. You're reading with a purpose. Your brain is literally searching for answers like, oh, this explains that question or this concept is important, and automatically your focus increases. Your understanding gets sharper, and you stop wasting time on useless parts. Because let's be real, your problem was never not studying enough. Your problem was studying everything without knowing what matters, and this method fixes that instantly. So, yeah, you can keep reading chapters blindly and hoping for the best. Or you can start with the questions, understand the target, and then study like someone who actually knows what they're doing. Method 4. The daily test loop. Bestie, let me call you out a little. You keep studying for hours, but when it's time to actually solve questions, your brain goes blank. Like suddenly nothing makes sense, right? That's because you're doing the biggest mistake. You're only studying. You're not testing yourself. And without testing, your brain never learns how to perform. So here's the method that actually fixes this, and yes, this is very common in intense Chinese-style systems. Every time you study a topic, you don't end it with, okay, I read everything. You end it with a mini test. And it's not complicated. After finishing a topic, you take 5 to 10 questions or make your own quick test. Set a small timer and try to solve them seriously like it's a real exam. No cheating, no looking at notes. Now, obviously, you'll make mistakes, you'll forget things, you'll feel a little uncomfortable. That's exactly the point, because that's where real learning starts. Then you check your answers, see where you went wrong, fix those exact mistakes. And here's the important part. You don't just move on, you repeat a few questions again to lock it in. So your cycle becomes study, then give test, then fix, and then repeat. Not just study and hope it works. And what this does is crazy. Your brain stops feeling shocked during exams. Your recall improves. Your silly mistakes reduce. and you start thinking under pressure instead of panicking. Because, let's be real, marks don't come from how much you read, they come from how well you can answer, and this method trains exactly that. So yeah, you can keep studying passively and hoping for the best. Or you can start testing yourself daily like this and actually see your performance level up. Alright, bestie, that was the video, and honestly, if you stayed till the end, I already know you're serious about fixing your focus and becoming that disciplined academic weapon version of yourself. And trust me, we only scratched the surface today. There are so many more insane study methods and focus tricks that high-performing students use that I still haven't talked about yet. So, if you want a part 2 with even more powerful next-level methods, then you already know what to do. Hit that subscribe button right now because we're trying to hit 100K before the end of this year, and I genuinely want to see how far we can take this channel together. And no, seriously, subscribe before you leave, because if this video helped you even a little, imagine how good part 2 is going to be. Okay, bestie, I'll see you in the next one.